Good afternoon. My name is Marimelda Naranjo Acevedo. I am 23 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Colombia. I live in Morca, Sogamoso. I am a technology environmental management system and I study industrial engineering in the UNAD. Using the present perfect continuous answer the following questions. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? No, I have been working for different companies in the 5 years. Where have you been working? I have been working in different companies, such as mining and constructions. Have you been doing exercise in the last year? What kind of exercise do you? I have not been exercising in the last years, but I would like to be practicing soccer. Uh, Thank you.